Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about first-class functions and higher-order functions. In Python, functions are first-class functions. And what that means is that they behave in exactly the same way as an integer or a string would when you assign them to a variable or you pass them into a function as an argument. So here's an example. Imagine you've got a greet function that just prints hello. What you've got is you've got a function called greet, and whenever you use the function, you must type out the name followed by the brackets. Some functions, you can put stuff inside the brackets, but in some functions, you don't. However, you can not use the brackets at all. And what that does is that does not run the function code. When you type out greet on its own, what you are saying is the greet function. And you're not asking Python to run it, you're just referring to it. So just as you can refer to a string or a number, you can actually assign this to another variable if you want. So here you've got the hello variable, and its value is the same value as the greet variable. And I know that greet is a function, but it's really just the same as a variable. It's a variable that contains a function. And when you run the variable, then the function runs, but if you don't run it, then you're just referring to the contents, which is the function itself. If you do hello equal greet, now hello is also the greet function, and you can run it. So this is what a first-class function means. When you have a first-class function, you can assign it to other variables just as you can with strings or numbers. Interestingly, you can also pass a function into another function. For example, let's say you have a function called before and after, and it takes in a function as a parameter. Then we're going to print before, we're going to print after, and in the middle, we're going to call our function. In this case, we assume that the value of this parameter will be a function. So, if we have our greet function that prints hello, then we can do before and after, and pass to it the greet function. Notice that I'm not calling the greet function, because if I do that, that runs through the function and returns the value of this function return, which is none. But if I don't use the brackets, what I am passing through is the function itself.